3 employees of the John Taolo Gaisetswe District Municipality have been arrested by the works over allegations that they manipulated competency assessment results to help an undeserving candidate secure a senior municipal position. The suspect, aged 38, 56 and 58, were arrested by the works serious corruption investigation team at their workplace in Kuruman on Monday, 29 June 2026. They face allegations including fraud, forgery, cyber fraud, cyber forgery, uttering, and contravening of the Local Government Municipal Finance Management Act. According to investigators, the case stems from the recruitment process of the position of Director of Community Services, which was advertised by the municipality in October 2022. As part of the appointment process, applicants were required to undergo a competency assessment conducted by an independent service provider. The works allege that the 3 municipal employees conspired to alter the assessment result of one candidate. Authorities claim the candidate's score was unlawfully changed from basic to competent, making the individual eligible for appointment despite allegedly not meeting the required standard. Investigators believe the alleged manipulation was intended to influence the recruitment process and unfairly benefit the candidate. The 3 accused, comprising 1 woman and 2 men, are expected to appear before Kuruman Magistrate Court on Tuesday, 30 June 2026, where they are expected to apply for bail. The matter remains before the court, and all accused are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law.